Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be showing you on how to fix processing HD version stuck on YouTube. So, let's dive in. Open your YouTube app on your browser. As you can see, this is my YouTube channel. So what you want to do is that you go to your YouTube studio. On the left tab, click on Content. As you can see in my screen, this is my latest video processing for HD version. At this point, click on Send Feedback on the lower left, then describe your feedback. You can also attach a screenshot of your problem, then tick the box to receive an update in your email. After that, click on Send. YouTube will check your request and most likely gonna resolve your problem within 1 or 2 working days. So, that's how to fix processing HD version stuck on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe.